Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It is great to be back again because I have not been uploading a lot of videos lately, and I apologize about that. Just been a lot going on. I have a lot of background projects. I have a lot of projects in the background that I'm working on that's not for the channel. But things that are for the channel, I just, there's nothing to film. I'm just being honest with you. And I don't want to upload bad content. I'm only going to upload what I think is good for the channel. So, this car has had 3 different exhaust setups since I started filming on this channel. The first setup was a true deal setup. Still had the stock cats on the car, but it was a true deal all the way back with no mufflers. And then I changed it over to no cats, no mufflers with side exits. That was incredibly loud. And now, a few months ago, I got the exhaust running out the back again, but I put Flowmaster 40s on it. So I want your guys' opinion. I want you to hear which one sounds the best and let me know down in the comments. I'm curious to know. I hope you guys enjoy.